so let's start the cooking now. Okay, mainit na kasi yung pan. So, yan, ilagay ko na yung patty. Oh, by the way, guys, you can make the fresh patties, right? You can use a fresh beef for this. I'm just using this for easy, so easy peasy. Pang bilisan lang kasi anong oras na for our dinner. And I don't have also my fresh beef, ground beef. So kung mas prefer mo yung fresh beef, then you can use it. You can make it and just like put your favorite seasoning on it. Ayan. So I'm flipping it already. Yeah. I-brown mo lang, side by side. Tapos huwag masyadong lutuin kasi lutuin mo pa siya sa gravy eh. Ayan. So, ito na until I finished all the patty already. So it's time to make the gravy. As again, we know how to make gravy, right? So ito, sobrang init ng pan ko. So, ayan. Kaya make sure na hindi siya mainit may kausap ako nito ng time na to. Ayan, tas yeah. So, I'm using the margarine instead of butter because I don't have the butter available. So, I think it's better if you use the butter. I'm more buttery, I mean, because I cooked this many times already. Okay, so I put the garlic in the onion. So I keep putting the margarine because it's keep drying. Yeah, so, you can add the flour now. So you have to make sure na yung flour is luto siya para walang lumps. So, lulutuin mo na siya. Pero the last time I made it, I mixed flour, I mixed it with water first and then, so it works also. This one, it's also work. Yeah. Ayan, so, lutuin mo yung flour and then, you can add water for this. Yeah, dahan-dahan. Yeah, slowly to the water. Mix all the flour. Yes, baby. And then, so you add the water in pieces, pares. Magti-thickens naman to later. So you add all the spices already. Ayan, yun yung broth na tinunaw ko yung beef broth. So may taste. So para yung gravy naman hindi may taste na beef, or if you have the how do you call this, your own broth, you can use it. So yung lahat ng spices talagay ko. Yung Italian seasoning masarap siya, maganda talaga siya, no, pang dagdag lasa kasi herbs, puro iba-ibang herbs siya. So don't forget that bay leaf. So para maglasang Jollibee talaga. And then the mushroom, So you can add fresh mushroom. Ako kung wala akong fresh mushroom, kaya yung can na lang. Yes, the oyster sauce. You can also use the soy sauce if you don't have the oyster sauce para magkulay siya. Kasi yung oyster, dagdag lasa din. I keep trying to taste because I'm gonna, put more salt in, put more ground black pepper. And so it's trying to, so okay na siya. I'm putting, so if you want like more thickens, you can add, lots of flour. Pero mas gusto kong hindi siya masyadong thick para masarap siya sa kanin. Pangit naman yung sobrang thick, di ba, na gravy. Ayan, it's time to luto. Lutuin mo na siya. So, tatakpan mo para maluto. Ayan, nilagay ko na yung parsley. Fresh pa my mother-in-law's garden. Maamoy mo lasang ano na talaga. Lasang burger steak ng Jollibee. Tapos ano, ang bango niya. Yes, nagsilabasan na nga yung mga tao dito eh. Gutom na sila. Yan, so I match it with the rice. So you can make also mashed potato if you want or rice if you want. So yan. Kumain din yung anak ko nito pero yung gravy lang. Yung baby. So, ready na to. It's time for our dinner. So, guys, if you like this, please do like and comment if you have any suggestion. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to notify you every time I have my new videos to upload. Please ring the bell. Thank you so much. Thank you so much and have a blessed day, everyone. Ian. Muti kayo. Muti kayo. Yeah, just heat up the rice.
Oh, and then I can mix that.